Hello, ma'am, sir. Good day. My name is Willa Moriti Sanchez, your assisting property specialist. So, just a quick background lang po for our company, which is Ayala Land Corp. Amaya Land is subsidiary branch po siya ng Ayala Land Corp. So, Ayala Land, just a details, Zubil Ayala, and then we have subsidiary branches like BPI, Honda, Suzuki, Alveo, Avida, Amaya, Bella Vita, and Ayala Land Premier. So when it comes to our project, which is Amaya Escapes Ordaneta, located at Ordaneta Calasiao Road, Barangay Catablan, Ordaneta City, Pangasinan. Napakalat fair na po ng ating project. Ang lot area po nito is 14.8 hectares, terrain relatively flat, and we have 849 house and lots, but we have only 50 units left. So when it comes to house model, we have 3 available units, which are, the first one is starter homes, having a 50 square meter floor area and 92 square meter minimum lot area. In single homes naman po, we have 52 square meter floor area and 92 square meter minimum lot area. In twin homes, in half twin po, we have 47 square meter floor area and 92 square meter minimum lot area. Kapag combined twin naman po, we have 94 square meter floor area and 184 minimum lot area. So sa provision naman po tayo, we have a provision to house expansion, provision to putting fence, I should say, and provision to land carport. So let's go to the features and amenities. We have a 24/7 guardhouse. We have a pasture green. We have children's playground, children and adult swimming pool, and clubhouse or village pavilion, I should say. Then we have vehicle units, which is magatid po sa inyo kapag lalabas kayo sa gate, and kapag papasok na kayo o pupunta na po kayo sa inyong mga units, ihatid po nila kayo sa mismong units po ninyo.